Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you the most effective way to obtain a receipt from eBay. Whether you are looking for a recent transaction or need documentation for an older purchase, getting a receipt is essential for maintaining financial records, handling returns, or filing warranty claims. Let's get started with this quick and easy process directly from your eBay account. To begin, you need to log into your account. Go to the eBay homepage and enter your sign-in credentials. It is always smart to double-check that your username and password are correct to avoid any security alerts or lockouts. Once you have successfully signed in, you will be directed to your main dashboard where various options are available. From this dashboard, navigate to the My eBay section located near the top of your screen. Hover your mouse over or click on My eBay to trigger the drop-down menu. From the list of options, select Purchase History. This section is your central hub for tracking every item you have bought on the platform, making it the perfect place to locate your receipts. Once you are in your purchase history, look through the list to find the specific item you are interested in. You can find what you need by scrolling through the chronological list or by using the search bar if you remember specific details about that particular order. After you have located the item, click the link for View Order Details or Order Details. This will open a new page providing a thorough breakdown of that specific purchase. This page functions as a digital receipt, showing price details, seller information, and other relevant transaction data. Next, look toward the top right-hand corner of this Order Details page. You should see a link that says Print this page. Click this to open your system's print settings. This is the most important step, as printing this specific page is how you generate an official receipt from eBay. Once the print menu appears, you can either produce a physical copy with your printer, or, if you want to save paper, you can choose to save it as a digital file. Most modern browsers allow you to select Save as PDF instead of a physical printer. This PDF then acts as your official eBay receipt, which you can store in a convenient location, such as a dedicated folder on your computer. That concludes the process. Remember that keeping your receipts is a great habit for managing your personal finances and ensuring you are ready for any potential return requests. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for managing your eBay documentation.